Today we'll talk about how can you find your creations on your CC app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you to find this list on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on profile down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on creations here, just click on it here. Then here you will find our creation for images and music. You will find it here in this list if you create it. Before you will find it here in this list. So like you see here, I have nothing in my list here yet, but if you have it, it's going to show for you in this list on your CC app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.